Then you will kneel on both knees. Place your both hands on the Holy Bible. Will you promise that you will follow the footsteps of Jacques de Molay through service and duty demanded? Will you promise that you will exemplify the precepts of filial love, reverence for sacred things, courtesy, comradeship, fidelity, cleanness, and patriotism? Do you promise upon your honor as a Demolay that you will demand each member a clean living, high respect for parents, and the fairness of womanhood? Do you promise to aid the distressed and weary and never permit a brother go in need? Do you promise that you will be just while deciding between one brother and another? Do you promise that you will work loyally and earnestly to your fellow Demolays and to the Supreme Council Order of Demolay to build enthusiasm, teamwork, confidence, and leadership within all our duties and efforts? With God, these witnesses, and your hands upon the Holy Bible, do you swear that you will faithfully execute the duties of National Master Counselor to highest capacity, preserving, protecting, and defending the ideals and teachings of the Order of Demolay? Then you will seal your promises by kissing the Holy Bible. Brother Solly Marshall, you will conduct him to the station in the east.